Hi, it's Steve here from KME. We're at Les Collins Racing today and looking at the BMW, which is the wiring is 2/3 done. I'll do a little quick walk around the workshop here and get you a look at some of the stuff that Les puts together. It's a very nice engine work that they do over here in the Warragul. So that's a setup. Well, is that ready to run, Les, or ready to run now? This is the engine assembly room, and there's quite a few engines laying about in different states of being built. Les does cylinder head work, reporting, and so on. Some nice looking engines underway. That's a will be an 6-cylinder L series Nissan. I don't know what size, probably 2.8 or 3 litre or something. Another one underway, which is an interesting aluminium sum on it from America. A couple of others. Must be a 2 litre 4-cylinder, and coming across to another L. What would that be? There's that one there with the carburetors on it. Is it an L28?
That's a 2.9. That's pretty much a standard L series.
2.9 litres. And so on.
The one with the aluminium sum's a 3.4.
3.4 litre. Wow. Okay. And what sort of horsepower do you expect out of that, Les?
350.
350. Naturally aspirated.
Yep.
Okay, Les is just doing a. This is Les here, and he's just smile, Les. He's just setting up to do a flow bench test on a cylinder head. Or he has set up. He's now doing the test. And no, he's not doing the test because it'll be a lot noisier. Yeah, a lot of nice gear, nicely set up here in downtown Warragul, of all places. They also do gearbox work and so on. Back in the engine compartment, this is a 2.8 litre L series, and it's built out for 3.5 litre. This is an RB20 twin turboed, which will be in the vicinity of 600 to 700 horsepower. Actually water pump on the front of this particular engine. Then over here, another L28. This is one of the early Nissan LZ engines with the gear-driven overhead cam system in it. It dates back to the Datsun Stanza rally cars. Yeah, that
It's a 350 horsepower fuel injected.
What?
3.4 litre that one is.
3.4. It's amazing the capacity you're getting out of these engines.
Mm-hmm.
Just unbelievable. What's this one sitting here?
So that was basically it's a standard L28 with a cam and a bit of head. So.
Okay, what sort of horsepower is that?
230 horsepower.
230. Wow. And it'd be nice tractable horsepower.
Yeah, just nice road car.
And these are the carburetors for the engine that's the cylinder head that's on the flow bench at the moment. Yeah. So here's a Datsun 1600, which is in the process of being built up. Looking quite nice. SR20 and obviously fuel injection. Well, they're all fuel injectors, but this has got a throttle body system on it, so very nicely done. Dry sump pump down there, so obviously it's going to be quite serious whatever this guy's going to do with this particular car. Other work they do here is this is a sump of a like a Skyline Gonzillas four-wheel drive type, part of the four-wheel drive system here. But you can see the panel plate they put in, dry sump pickups in it, extra part back there, and there's the diff housing part as well. Very complicated bit of gear. Then around the corner here is you can work on the cylinder heads. You can see the valve size in there, and the porting and so on that is obviously underway. And this is in this part here, which is the pretty more dirty part of the workshop. This is another shed that Les has just got himself, which is actually connected to the rest of the places all through there. We've just come from the shed, which is just over there. They've just taken up this particular one, two new Summit hoists in it, clear floor hoists, and we've got a car being pulled apart here for work. We've got a Datsun 240Z up in there, awaiting probably an engine or something, I'd imagine. A couple of other projects over here, a Datsun 600 rally car that was rolled in an event, and moving around to another Datsun Z up on the rotisserie there, and there's Jeff happily toiling away. Not Les, Jeff, another man who works here. And this is the other part of Les's race business, where the wiring is being built. That's the loom for the BMW, and here's the BMW as we see it today. So at the back, there's a Datsun 1600 sitting there, waiting to be probably cut up for body parts or something. That's in a pretty sad state, rust-wise underneath, but upper sections are probably okay. And then that's the whole overview of the factory here in Warragul, where Les runs the business out of. So we're back here at the workshop after being in Warragul yesterday at Les's. It's great to be able to get in and have a look at what Les does. It's quite amazing the quality of work that comes out of that factory. The cylinder heads are second to none. He builds engines for cars in America, France, South Africa. It's just quite amazing. They go around the world. And he builds the whole engine, gearbox and diff packages a lot of times, so the gearbox and diff ratio will be basically suit the rev range the engine has been built to, whether it be a racing car or a rally car or whatever. And to get that in-depth look inside Les Collins Racing, it's a bit of a privilege. So really good that Les let us have a look there. So the BMW, it's the wiring is basically the harness is done. So the boys will be just fitting it to the car, and then early next week I'll probably get a call to say that they're going to crank the engine over and get it started, so I'll be back up there for that. So hopefully we'll do another video of that. But otherwise, I hope you've enjoyed this one. Subscribe, leave a comment. I love to get comments about what we do, and as I said, hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.